first ever cooking episode of Sa Kusina ni Chef Nick, only here at Nick Trinidad YouTube Channel. And for today's menu, we're going to have garlic butter shrimp with salted egg, and that's very famous. And a lot of you actually requested for me to cook this one, and this is the right time. So, what are you waiting for? Please tune in. For today's video, we're going to have garlic butter shrimp with salted egg, and here are the ingredients. Is switch on the stove for medium low heat only, because we don't want our butter to burn. And I use unsalted butter because one of the ingredients will be salted egg, so we don't want the shrimp to be too salty later on. Okay, so we'll just wait for the butter to melt. If it is halfway done, so we're going to add our garlic. So I did not use onions, because I want the garlic butter shrimp to be garlicky, because if there's onions, it will it will neutralize, or it will overpower. And then we're going to add our garlic. We will just mix until it will turn into golden brown or amber in color. Let me just show you the flame that I use. It's medium low heat only, because we don't want to burn our garlic, because if the garlic will burn, of course it will give a bitter taste. Mix, 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 and mix. And after that, I can smell it. We're going to add our paprika and our chili powder, and there's a little bit of flakes. Just mix a little. And we're going to add salted egg. Actually, I use the yolk, so it will also add flavor, and it's a bit salty. It will also add color to our shrimp later on. And that's the time that we're going to add our shrimp. I marinated this with Sprite, and I'm going to show you that I marinated this for almost 1 hour. The longer the better. Okay, so once the shrimp will change the color into orange, that means it's halfway done. We don't want to make it overcooked, because as much as possible we want to have a crunch in our large shrimp. Okay, so once we add on our shrimp. We're going to increase the fire into medium-high. We will just flip the shrimp. Okay, this is just very quick and easy recipe, and all you have to do once the shrimp is already changes into orange, all you have to do is just flip for you to make sure that it's evenly cooked, and add some lemon for about 1 teaspoon lemon, and then add some powder. This is magic powder. And of course, add the pepper. I want a lot of big pepper and I want more garlic as well. Okay? So let's make it quick. It's very quick and easy recipe. Oops. It will only take for like 4 to 5 minutes to finish and cook this one. Okay. And we also have here cheese. We're going to use half of this cheese to add flavor. I use Parmesan cheese. And later on, we're going to use other cheese for garnish as well. Okay? Once you can see that the shrimp is already changes into orange color, you have to add that tomato ketchup. Then just mix it. Oh my god, look at that. If you can just smell what I can smell right now, oh my god, it smells like heaven. So we're going to put our pan to low heat. We will just flip. Alright, and the best important thing that you have to do is, of course, taste the food that you cook. And I also prepared this boiled corn as a starch of our recipe. And I'm going to add the corn. And just mix. We're done for just like 4 to 5 minutes. It's very quick and easy recipe. I have here onions and fresh peppercorns for garnish. This is our quick and easy recipe, and that's garlic butter shrimp with salted egg. If you want to be updated with my latest video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Nick Trinidad on YouTube, and of course, please like my Facebook page, and that's Kusina and Chef Nick. And if you have some requests on what recipe or dishes that I'm going to cook in the future, please don't forget to comment down below. And thank you so much for all your support, my dear. Bye!